In this video, we'll show you how to get started with your ASUS VivoWatch 6 using ASUS Health Connect app. ASUS VivoWatch 6 package includes the watch itself, a USB charging cable, a user manual, a warranty card, a brush, and rubber caps. Activation: power up your ASUS VivoWatch 6 by long pressing the button in the upper right corner. Then set up VivoWatch, then scan QR code to download the ASUS Health Connect app from App Store or Google Play on your phone. Then pair ASUS VivoWatch with ASUS Health Connect app. Choose your region, log in your ASUS account, review the terms of use, accept phone, setting pairing device via Bluetooth. Then ASUS Health Connect app recognizes your watch nearby and prompts you to start pairing it. Then accept the Bluetooth pairing request on your mobile and confirm the PIN code on your watch by tapping the display. After VivoWatch sync all the data with app, you are done with the settings to enjoy your VivoWatch at its best, completing your personal information. Update the software. If ASUS Health Connect offers a new version, now you are done with the settings, and you can start using your ASUS VivoWatch 6. Please regularly update the product software to the latest version. Let's start using ASUS VivoWatch. Swipe left or right on the watch face to access the function pages for measuring blood pressure, ECG, body composition, SP02, heart rate, and more. On function pages, swipe up or down to view data relevant to that function. To view message, just swipe down from the top of watch face and scroll through your messages. Quick button for access to frequently used functions. Set frequently used functions in app as shortcuts. Whenever wearing ASUS VivoWatch 6, it automatically tracks your heart rate, SP02, pulse, transit time in the background. These data are organized in the app for you to easily monitor changes in your body at a glance. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like to the video.